Embracing the modern luxury life within the nature. BOTANICA Modern Loft project. Today, IQI Phuket, a member of Juwai IQI Phuket, would like to share with you information about BOTANICA Modern Loft project, which is one of the top sale villas project in Phuket now. The total units in this project is 39 total units in this project, and it is 3 and 4 bedroom villas only. 3 bedroom villas with 1-story building and 4 bedroom villas with 1-story and 2-story building. The minimum land plot size is 468 square meter total area, and usable area for 3 bedroom villa start from 310 square meter. The swimming pool have in each villa. The minimum size for private swimming pool start from 9 to 3.5 meters. The furniture package is extra cost, and minimum is 2 million baht for 3 bedroom villas and 3 million baht for 4 bedroom villa. The location of this project is in Chantale area, and it is about 5 to 10 minutes drive to Blue Tree Water Park, Porto de Phuket and Boat Avenue Villa Market shopping area. Also within just 5 to 10 minutes from this project is Layan Beach, Bantao Beach and Laguna Golf Course. The minimum selling price for now exclusively from IQI Phuket start from 17.5 million Thai baht only for 2 units. It is for sure will be not available too long. Get your chance to be the owner of the modern loft luxury villa in Phuket, and see you in next episode of our Phuket property tour.